Welcome, friends. I am Dr. V.K. Chauhan, homeopathic physician, and here we are going to revise a small homeopathic remedy in the form of mnemonics from the Allen's keynote. We all find lot of difficulty in remembering materia medica, and mnemonic is one of the ways how to remember it. This particular text may be very useful for BHMS students and interns. So let us go ahead. Here we have the keyword merasmus, through which we are going to remember abrotenum. M stands for merasmus, A stands for alternating complaints, R stands here for rheumatic complaints, and A tells us about ailments from specially suppressed erupt secretions. The M stands for metastasis, and U stands for umbilical bleed. And the last is the S, which stands for serious effusions. So let us elaborate these particular points so we can have a bird's eye view of abrotenum. M stands for merasmus. It is especially children's remedy where the children having this problem have the face which looks like old, pale, and wrinkled. There is a great emaciation. The skin becomes loose and flabby. It is hangs in folds. Abdomen is bloated and there is a marked emaciation, especially of the lower legs. Head is so weak that the patient cannot hold it up. The A stands for alternating complaints, and you will find very important alternating constipation and diarrhea, alternating rheumatism and diarrhea, alternating rheumatism with hemorrhoids. Next is the R, and R stands for rheumatic complaints. And here the rheumatic complaints are there is a excessive pain before the swelling commences. So this rheumatic complaint can be in children, could be because of rheumatic fever. Please keep in mind. In children, we have juvenile rheumatoid arthritis. And if it is in the adults, you will find there could be many arthritic conditions like rheumatoid arthritis. And more important here is this remedy has got gout, where the joint is a stiff, swollen, and there is a peculiar pricking sensation. It affects wrist, ankles. All these joints are very much inflamed and painful. The next is the A for ailments from we have keynote, where the problems start from suppressed secretion. This is more important in acute diseases. Suddenly checked diarrhea and other secretions will bring about other complaints like rheumatism. The metastasis, M stands for metastasis. And here the very important feature is rheumatism goes to heart. It means we are talking about rheumatic fever. So in heart there is a pericarditis, myocarditis, endocarditis, pancarditis. Probably we have to go for ECG and you will find first degree heart block there. Mumps metastasize to testis and breast, umbilical bleed, especially oozing of blood from umbilicus of newborn. This symptom is given in Boric and Fatak. Allen has not given this symptom. The last is a serous effusion, marasmus. The abrotenum has got serous effusion, especially whenever the serous membranes are there. If it is peritoneum, there is ascites. If it is pleura, we have got hydrothorax. If it is joint, we have synovial fluid, which is going to cause effusion in the joint. And in case of scrotum, we have hydrocele in children. So thank you, friends, for patient listening and watching. Good day to you.